Hello and welcome to Green Hippies. We have been very busy with different projects, and we've been hiking and we fell sick, and now we're back on the homestead, as you see. I kind of wanted to give you an update about what's going on. And we have been touching on different kind of topics, haven't we? We had the Green Hippie kids. We didn't get a lot of feedback, good or bad, so we don't know if you guys wanted to have the kids edition, so we left that for now. And we also we're doing the Adobe HOUSE upgrade. Today I'm going to make some pizza. If you live by Wadawi, you're welcome to come over. Sharing is caring. We are also working on our hippie camp. What is a hippie camp? Well, Green Hippies, we do want to offer people that are like-minded a place to coexist together for shorter, longer periods of time. Because we do believe, not Scooby-Doo, we do believe that we're all on the same planet together. We're in the same boat. We need to take care of the environment and each other. And we have so many opportunities here. We are turning our renter unit here. We're fixing it up a little bit as we speak. And this is our new AirBnB hostel. So we want to have something that is nice for people. They can come and hang out and stay here on a day-to-day or week-by-week basis. Either you pay barter-wise or money-wise, or you can also contribute by working on the homestead, on the hippie camp. We do think that if we are going back to a basic way of living where everybody shares and everybody shares in and out, I will give you what I have, I will do what I can, and then you give me what I need. As much as we can, share for each other and care for each other, we do that with like-minded people. Now, people are asking me, so what are you doing about the hiking? Well, we actually do want to go hiking again. But here we have one of the projects. We're still having no time to touch on that. Hence, I'm doing this video because, it would be nice to have the like-minded people here. But hey, look at this. This is the muscadine vine, and it grows wild here in Alabama. Everything grows wild here. Do you have green fingers? If you were me, I would rush here because I just want to go. Yeah, well, my weed eater, he didn't fix that. So, guys and girls, I need help. Please come over and give a hand. Okay, I'm going to burn this baby. Burn, baby, burn. I am going to harvest some of the onions that I made here earlier. There should still be some in the ground. And I think I will cut down this area as I work on it. Like I said, if you do feel like you want to come over, and I haven't done it with my left hand before, so if you do feel like you want to come over and share with us a little bit, you might. Yeah, so we also have aquaponics, we have live on site, we have Kabathon, but we also have the hippie camp. It's all about sustainability. And yeah, if you're looking for hiking related stuff, we can also offer shuttle services to the PINHOTI trail, which is it's half an hour, but let's say 45-minute drives away. It's going to be more about that, actually. And we're going to also offer Hobbit PIZZA to people. Okay, I'm going to let you go for now so it doesn't get too boring. Just sign up, send us questions, and you troll. Stop trolling us. We're tired of you. Okay, blessings everyone. Bye. Lo and behold, as I'm filming, we have a guest outside. Did you come out to work outside?
Yes.
Yes? What are we working on today?
You just started the Adobe oven, of course. Yummy. That means pizza, roots pizza. Let me tell you, hikers and backpackers, let me tell you, coming one day when you're staying in our Airbnb hostel, you're going to get some of Roots pizza. Everybody says it's the best pizza I've ever had. I've never had Adobe oven pizza before, as they say, even if they've had it. But it's incredible. Incredible.
So this is Daniel's oven that he made and the house that he made. But I have the pizza recipe that my mom got from Italy in 1968. So there you go. Pure hippie pizza.
Pure hippie
well,
pizza.
There's no shrimps on our pizza, so you're not pure hippie pizza, but you got the drift.
Yes. Yeah, we like
But not
beets and black olives.
Oh, beets are my favorite. But Austin, he never had homemade pizza, and he didn't even know he ate beets. I don't think he ever ate a beet in his life.
I don't think he ever ate a beet in his life, and he just tore those pieces of pizza up. I mean, Root gave him some pizza to go, and as soon as we were out the door, he had it open and eaten.
You never had homemade pizza? What's wrong with you Americans? Really?
He ate the whole entire pizza before he got home. And he was like, oh, I ate the whole thing.
So, you know, sometimes you just have to share love, yeah? So I'm making pizza today.
Yes.
So
some of y'all neighbors might get lucky.
Yeah, I just invited them to come over. Funny, come over and just say the same things that I did, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. Anything else you want to share?
No.
No? You're okay? Sure?
Yes.
This is for green hippies. No, you're not kissing me unless you deserve it. You haven't deserved it today. Okay, so we got the oven up and going. I just started a little fire in the front and then you move it backwards a little bit. We haven't fired it in I don't know how long. It's been a little bit. But here we go. I mean, Daniel's out checking on the oven, the Adobe oven. The ambers, he said, are good. He said, I don't need to feed it anymore. I'm sure you all have been wondering about The Walk, the movie. Thank you for your prayers. Please continue to pray. The Walk is a God movie, and we are going to pursue it. Mona Britt, you asked us before we left. I don't know if Daniel got back to you. He's been so busy. So I just wanted to give an update because you guys deserve it. So yes, we are doing the movie. We have locations and times for when we're doing it. So if you're interested in being part of a God movie, let us know. We do have some actors and we do need more. And we're looking for natural talents, people that are just themselves, you know. We'll keep you posted on The Walk on Facebook. And we will keep posted on YouTube, GreenHippies. Okay, stay tuned. Get it rice for like 45 minutes. But this is how it looks right now. I'm gonna go and pop it over by the Adobe oven and we'll see what happens, huh? Okay, so how can you tell if the oven is ready to put pizza in or not?
Well, if you can push it back like this, it doesn't really catch fire. It might catch fire a little bit, but not really. So you don't want smoke in there, but you just want the pure heat. That looks pretty good to me.
So I can put in the pizza.
Yes.
Can you do it for me, please? Because I'm not quite sure. This is one pizza.
Alright, so just pick it up on the skillet.
Yeah. So what are you looking for?
Just making sure we're not cooking too much on one side. This
So
causes a little vent there to heat. So I'd say it's about 500 degrees right now, maybe 600 degrees with the door on there. So it's going to cook rather quickly. So we just need to watch it.
yeah, because usually it's like 10 to 12 minutes on the small pizza and 12 to 15 on the bigger one. So we'll come back here and check on them in about 7-ish minutes
Yes.
or 5 minutes and then turn them around maybe.
Yes.
Okay, it's a plan.
That's fine.
Okay, so we're walking over to check if the Hobbit Pizza is doing okay. I told Daniel to go and check up on it because he's the expert. How's the pizza doing?
Well, it's done on the outside. It's done on the outside. See that?
Doesn't it? This side looks done, doesn't it? Sounds done, doesn't it? What do you think?
Yes, that one looks done.
Okay. Are you hungry?
Yes, sir.
And there goes Daniel, running with the pizza. Okay. Come on. Let's go and hunt pizza, shall we? Yeah, let's go and get the pizza. Okay, so, yeah, that looks fairly done, doesn't it? You think it's done?
Yes.
Yes?
Oh, delicious.
Oh, that's like thick pizza, isn't it?
Yeah, there you
That's like bread pizza. That's real pan pizza.
go. Not one small pizza.
So, here we go, Linda.
This is horrible.
And he's going for the sliver.
Yes.
So, on this pizza, I had pepper jack and mozzarella.
Yes.
Did you taste the difference?
Oh, yes, it was good. I like the spiciness.
Yes, so I want to share with you the recipe for my mom's Italian pizza dough. And it is, now you're welcome to my world for a second, and do the calculations yourself. You do 7 deciliters of flour, sifted. Oh, by the way, do you know why you do sift flour? You know why I laugh when I see that you buy pre-sifted flour? The reason you sift it just before using it is to check that bugs and stuff didn't get in there, yeah? And you know, even if you buy it at the store, you know, if it stands on the shelf for, you know, a little bit, you know, never know what creeps in there. So, 7 deciliters of sifted flour. You take 1 teaspoon of salt, and then I mix that. And then I take 3.5, whatever, deciliters of lukewarm water. Now, why do it lukewarm? You can't do it too hot. If you feel here, take a drop here. If you can't feel it, it's the right temperature. If you take it too hot, the yeast is going to die. It's better to take it a little bit colder. Of course, not freezing cold, but yeah. And then you take dried yeast, like, you know, 25 grams of fresh yeast or dry yeast equivalent. Good luck with the calculations. And then you put basically the dry yeast or the fresh yeast in the water, and you mix it, and then you let it sit for a little bit, a couple minutes, and then you take the salt and the flour, and then you mix that, and then you take 2 tablespoons of oil. I use extra virgin oil, and then you mix that together. And then it's kind of like you have to work it for 10 minutes, you know. Usually people just put it in the machine, and you know, but hey, how can you feel the love then, you know? Anyway, sometimes it's really good to do some good old-fashioned kneading, isn't it? But I do want to thank all of you that have been praying for us. Annette, thank you so much. I don't know if you're in Ghana or in Norway right now, but your prayers were super strong. You are getting better, aren't we?
Yes, we're getting a lot better. We're doing a lot better. And thank you for everybody for, I walked into the Dollar General and everybody was like, oh, I'm glad to see you're better, and customers and everything. Oh, yes, thank you, I appreciate you. Y'all were watching? Yes, we were worried about you. What's going on?
Thank you, guys and girls, so much. Thank you, and God bless you back so much.